Hello guys, good morning. This is Maggie Raj here, and now we are going to get discuss about the torque in magnetic field. So, let me discuss here torque. Whenever any rectangular or circular root placed in the uniform magnetic field. So, this is the torque in a rectangular loop in uniform magnetic field. So these are the two strong poles N and S. Okay, these are the two strong poles of the magnet N and S, where place this rectangular loop PQRS. Okay, in this way, in which I current is flowing in this way. Okay, so it attached from any source like this. So let a rectangular coil PQRS, whose length is L and breadth is B, placed between two strong poles of the magnet in this way. Okay, so it attached from any source whose EMF is V, and here produce some current I according to this. So its length is L and breadth is B. Okay, so first condition, in this condition, this loop or coil placed in this way. So here, if the force is maximum, F equals to IBL, then here force minimum, that is 0, IBL. So in this condition, force will be 0. So here, whenever these two sides PQ and RS are perpendicular to the magnetic field, then here force will be maximum, and these two sides will be parallel, QR and SP. And whenever in this case force will be maximum, then here force is minimum. Here let me consider here these sides PQ and RS are perpendicular with respect to uniform magnetic field. So here force are maximum, equal and opposite. Okay, so here produce some torque. Okay, so that torque is this coil rotated about its axis. So here torque is like this, two forces, this F and F, which are placed at some distance, like this is B by 2 and B by 2. First condition, here place this coil like this, okay, without any angle. So torque is equals to F1 B by 2 plus F2 B by 2. Force into perpendicular distance from force to axis, and this is the axis of rotation. We can say that this is the axis of rotation. So torque is equals to IBL B by 2 plus IBL B by 2. So it is equals to IBL into B, and you know that length into breadth is equals to area of this coil. So torque is equals to IBA, and if number of turns are N, if number of turns are N, then tau equals to NIAB. Okay, This is the maximum torque. And again, let me discuss whenever this loop or this rectangular loop placed with an angle theta, then this condition will according to this. Here, force will works in this way: F1 IBL and F2 IBL, both attached opposite to each other, and this, you know that it placed in this way with some angle like theta. So this is B by 2, this is B by 2, okay, sorry, length of this is B by 2 and B by 2, and we know that for the obtaining torque, whenever it rotates about its axis, so torque will be equals to F1 into x plus F2 into x, because torque is equals to the force and perpendicular distance from force to axis, and that is equals to this x. So according to this triangle, this is theta and this is B by 2, so x, so sine of theta equals to perpendicular upon hypotenuse, okay, so x is equals to B by 2 sine of theta, okay. So this x is equals to B by 2 sine theta, IBL B by 2 sine theta. So torque is equals to IBL B sine theta, and L into B is equals to area. So torque is equals to IBA sine theta, and if number of turns are n, then torque will be NIBA sine theta, okay. So this will be the maximum torque. So first condition, whenever it placed parallel, and second condition, whenever this loop placed with an angle theta, okay. So from the magnetic field, so it is according to this, maximum torque will be equals to force into perpendicular distance about its axis. So this is IBL B sine B by 2 sine theta, IBL B by 2 sine theta. This is the maximum perpendicular length, and which obtained by this triangle, okay. So torque is equals to NIAB sine theta. Here this is the magnetic moment that is equals to M, and it is equals to product of current and cross sectional area, and if there are present number of turns n, then magnetic moment is equals to NIA. So what is magnetic moment? So it is equals to the product of current and cross sectional area. So it is equals to M equals to NIA. Its unit is ampere meter square, and its dimension is AL square, and we can say that it is a vector quantity. मैग्नेटिक मोमेंट ऐसी क्वांटिटी है, वेक्टर क्वांटिटी है. सो इसके अकॉर्डिंग अगर हम टर्क की वैल्यू पुट करें, तो टर्क हमने निकाला है, टर्क इक्वल्स टू NIAB sin theta. So its value is MB sin theta. This is the torque, and torque max equals to MB, and torque minimum will be 0. This maximum will be 9 at theta equals to 90, and this is equals to theta equals to 0 degree, okay. So here obtained two specific condition for the torque in terms of magnetic moment, okay.